Billy here with Silver Seas Yachts at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show 2022 in the Princess display, bringing you some beautiful yachts. Let's have a look at what we have here this year. Have a look at this beautiful Y85. Y Series is a Flybridge motor yacht with Princess. It starts with 72 feet. And it's going to be going up to 95 with the new Y95 that premieres this year. The 85 is the current queen of the fleet for the moment. Just absolute oozing class and style. Great open glass. Partition here for your galley. So you have this open bar configuration, and this section can enclose it totally. So if you're cooking the meal and banging some pots and pans and your guests are out here, they don't have to hear the noise. Access door dedicated, as well as a bridge deck door so the crew can come and go in and out of the galley without disturbing the guests. Big sub-zero residential size refrigerator, freezer, dedicated wine fridge, oven. Gorgeous setup here. Many different furniture layouts are available if you custom order one of these yachts. This one has a 6-top that expands as well with a leaf for more guests. You do have an on-deck day head right here behind the helm. Awesome space here for your captain with another dedicated crew door. Bow and stern hydraulic thrusters. And when your guests want to spend some time here at the helm and the lower deck, a great settee area as well. Heading over here to the starboard side, go down to our accommodations. This is going to be a 4-stateroom yacht. In addition to crew quarters, head here into our VIP. Just love the natural light and the open feeling. The styling on these boats just makes the space feel so usable, so welcoming. Big walk-in closet. Your second guest stateroom here. Another beautiful island bed. Great styling here that you're going to see carried through the boat. The use of fabrics and wood with lighting coming up through it really gives the boat a unique look and style. Vanity here right at the foot of the bed with your television. Another bunk room here where these can push together to make a single bed, should your guests desire. Another closet. Ensuite head with another shower here. And then is the other ensuite here, so say 4-4. Now, let's head back to the main event here, your master. You do have laundry facilities right here outside the master, should you desire, in addition to the ones provided in the crew quarters. Massive television here at this midship master. Beautiful sofa. Just look at the understated built-in side tables there, the lighting, the use of soft fabrics and materials to really brighten up and modernize this interior in a way that's going to remain classic and timeless into the future. His and hers sinks. Separate closing door for the head and a beautiful shower. Gorgeous windows here for views. Dedicated desk setup with vanity and an expansive owner's closet. Have a look at the crew quarters here as well. So entry from inside the cockpit as well as the swim platform. Engine room access directly here as well with a sight port. Again, as I say, your washer dryer here. Bunk room. As well as another bunk room here that can be set up as a single for captain's quarters or another over-under. Dedicated head. Crew has their own little galley set up here, as well as their own dinette. So really a nice space back here to enjoy and unwind after a long day on the water, entertaining you and your guests, to refresh for the next day. Have a look up in the Flybridge. Got another beautiful outside galley with a bar top. Room here on your aft platform should you desire for a tender davit. And availability for fixed or freestanding furnitures. Jacuzzi tub in this configuration. And just tons of seating. See extending sunshade here aft should you desire, as well as a opening sunroof. As the conditions change and your destinations and time of year require different uses. Beautiful commanding view here from your centerline helm on up there to the bow seating. And just another massive and beautiful space here. Recessed seating. Dual anchor windlasses. Well, that's a look at the Y85 Princess Yachts here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Billy with Silver Seas, thanks for having a look with me.